do you open your surprise egg? Okay, how do you open your surprise egg?
Mommy, open.
Please. Okay.
Mommy, open.
Please, mommy. Oh my god. Okay, show it to them. How do you show your surprise egg? Okay, how do you open your surprise egg? Okay, show it now. You do like this now. Okay, say, I got the surprise egg. Oh my goodness. What do you have? What do you have in there?
Open.
Please.
Mommy, open.
Jaran! Jaran! Uh-oh. I didn't know that you like that chocolate. Is it yummy?
No, Daddy.
Yummy? Okay, how do you open the egg? You do like this. You do like this. Press it here. Press it here.
Alright.
Oh my goodness, what did you get? What is it? What is it? Show them what did you get. Oh my goodness. Can you show mommy what you got? Oh. Ano to, Gab Gab? Gab, ano to? Anong kulay yan? Anong kulay? Anong kulay yan? Utot!
Mommy, ano na first egg?
Oh my god, that's a nice background. Sino umutot? Sino umutot?
Mommy,
Yes,
Mommy, ano rice egg?
Another surprise egg. Sino umutot?
Daddy, open rice.
Sino? Naamoy mo yun. Narinig mo yung utot ni Daddy? Narinig mo? Narinig mo?